Alright guys, breaking news. This AI video editor can now add music to your videos. So not only can it add sound effects, subtitles, animations from remotions and hyperframes, zoomings and transitions, but now sound effects too. So as you can see behind me over here, you can see all the installed sound effects. Now you can actually switch them off if you don't like some of them, so the AI doesn't pick them randomly when you don't actually want them. Additionally, you can add your own. So if you already have your perfect sound effects and background music, you can literally go to sound effects and click on add your own, upload the file, give it a name and tell the AI when to use it, and then it will use your specific high quality sound effects. The same applies for background music. So let me just show you one example of some of these sound effects. I love them. Some of them are amazing. So we have different emotions, and you heard the one at the beginning, the one for news channel. Now the great thing is you can also choose the actual volume of the sound effect, of the subtitle click effect, and the background music. So you can change that all here to match your perfect, make it subtle enough so it doesn't distract the viewer. That's all over here. Now I'm going to demonstrate actual use of this. I'm going to literally upload a file to this AI video editor, and this is the one I want to upload over here. So I just uploaded a song onto this desktop app. Now it works on Windows and Mac, and what it does, it will analyze the video, and then in one click I can literally have it do all of my work for me, all of my editing work. You're about to see that live right now. So all you do is either click on the one-click Pro AI Edit, or you can have your own custom prompt. Now once you get this prompt perfect, look what happens. I'm going to paste my prompt into here. This is my prompt. If you want it, just type prompt in the description, but of course you have to use Zippy Clip, this app, to do this. Now I'm going to click send, and check this out. It's thinking what skills it needs. So it's chosen all of these skills. These are the skills it needs in order to edit your video. And then it's going to start adding music. As you can see over here, it's got the music skill. It's going to add some sound effects, some animated zoom, some B-roll, some subtitles, some just lots of hyperframes, lots of different things. Watch, it's doing it now. So here we are. These are all the effects that are about to be added. It's created a polished edit with custom intro, themed hyperframes, B-roll, synchronized zoomed, and central sub.